Hello everyone, in the today's video we are going to continue next series of the mock test part number 5. So let's start. Question number 81. Who wrote Paracelsus? Options are T.S. Eliot, William Shakespeare, Robert Browning, Samuel Beckett. Correct answer option number C, Robert Browning. Paracelsus is a 5-part epic poem written by Robert Browning. Robert Browning was an English poet and playwright whose mastery of the dramatic monologue. Next question. When was Paracelsus published? Options are 1868, 1872, 1875, 1835. Correct answer option number D, 1835. Paracelsus, it is a long epic poem that has been written in 5 parts. How many total poems are included in the collection of poems Man and Woman? 45, 51, 55, 60. Correct answer option number B, 51. Man and Woman, published in a 2-volume with 51 poems. It is composed by Robert Browning, 1855. Next question. Which king was welcomed in Austria Redux by John Dryden? Options are King Charles II, James VI, Edward I, James I. So correct answer option number A, King Charles II. Austria Redux, written by John Dryden in 1660. Next question. The Indian Queen was written by John Dryden in a collaboration with whom? Options are George Gray, Lord Byron, Sir Robert Howard, Walter Scott. Correct answer option number C, Sir Robert Howard. The original play of The Queen, Indian Queen, written by Robert Howard and John Dryden, and the premiered in 1664. Next question. Which one of the following is the longest poem by John Dryden? Options are Alexander's Feast, Annus Mirabilis, To My Honours, King's Man, The Hind and the Panther. Correct answer option number D, The Hind and the Panther. Published in 1687. Written by John Dryden. Parson Adams, the protagonist, is taken from which novel by Henry Fielding? Options are Amelia, Joseph Andrews, The Female Husband, The History of Tom Jones, A Foundling. Correct answer option number B, The Joseph Andrew. Joseph Andrew, it is a novel by Henry Fielding, published in 1742. It is one of the best known characters in English literature. Which of the following masque is written by Ben Jonson? The Mask of Blackness, The Mask of Beauty, The Mask of Queens, all of above. Correct answer option number D, all of above. The Mask of Blackness, Beauty and Queens, mask written by Ben Jonson. Who utters those words? Milton is a God-gifted organ voice of England. Options are Ben Jonson, Alfred Lord Tennyson, John Dryden, Henry Fielding. Correct answer option number B, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Whose poetry has both the traits of the metaphysical and Augustan poetry? Options are S.T. Coleridge, T.S. Eliot, Abraham Cowley, John Donne. Correct answer option number C, Abraham Cowley. Which comedy is also known as the comedy of manners? Jacobean comedy, Elizabethan comedy, Restoration, Shakespeare comedy. Correct answer option number C, Restoration comedy. Restoration period started from 1660 to 1710. Next question. Who remarked that Restoration marks the birth of our English prose? Options are John Dryden, Ben Jonson, Matthew Arnold, John Milton. Correct answer option number C, Matthew Arnold. The Restoration age was an important juncture in the development of English prose. Catherine Morland is a heroine. Which one of the following novels by Jane Austen? Options are The Pride and Prejudice, Sense and Sensibility, Emma, Northanger Abbey. Correct answer option number D, Northanger Abbey. It is a satire of the Gothic fiction novel by Jane Austen, completed for the publication in 1803 but only published posthumously in 1817. Who wrote the poem Birches? Edward Thomas, Robert Frost, Rupert Brooks, Robert Grave. Correct answer option number B, Robert Frost. Birches, it is a poem by American poet Robert Frost, published 1916, consisted of 59 lines. The poem Birches is written in options are free verse, verse paragraph, blank verse, none of these. Correct answer option number C. The poem Birches written in a blank verse. It is a single stanza poem of 59 lines because it is unrhymed and iambic pentameter. Who wrote The Tragedy of Tragedies? Options are Henry Fielding, Ben Jonson, John Dryden, John Donne. Correct answer option number A, Henry Fielding wrote The Tragedy of Tragedies. Henry Fielding, born on 22nd of April 1707. The Tragedy of Tragedies, published 1731. It is a play by Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding was an English novelist and dramatist known for his earthy humor and satire. Who is known as the great poet of India? Options are Sarojini Naidu, A.K. Ramanujan, Rabindranath Tagore, Vikram Seth. Correct answer option number C. Rabindranath Tagore was an English poet, writer, composer, philosopher and painter, born on 7th of May 1861. Who is called poet's poet? William Wordsworth, Edmund Spenser, T.S. Eliot, Alfred Tennyson. Correct answer option number B, Edmund Spenser. Who is called father of English tragedy? Thomas Kidd, John Webster, Christopher Marlowe, William Shakespeare. Correct answer option number C, Christopher Marlowe, known as the father of English tragedy. He is an English dramatist and first practitioner of English dramatic blank verse. Who is called the father of English drama? William Shakespeare, Harold Pinter, George Bernard Shaw, Carlyle Churchill. Correct answer option number A, William Shakespeare is called the father of English drama because the template provided by his plays became the one that seeped into all subsequent form more than anything before it. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.